Hi guys, I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Beauty for Real Golden Hour eyeshadow palette right here. This beautiful palette that you see in my hands. I got this in my Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of July and I could not wait to play with it. And today I'm going to show you how I created this look right here, and I'm also going to give you some swatches and my overall thoughts about this beautiful little palette right here. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette by Beauty for Real. The packaging is really beautiful, really reminiscent of the summertime. And when you open it up, you have a really nice mirror in here, which I love. And here's what the actual palette looks like. You have a total of 8 shadows in here. You have mostly shimmers. You have 5 shimmers and 3 mattes. Okay guys, so here's a closer look at the swatches. Really pretty. I think it looks so nice. The star of the show is obviously that blue that I'm wearing on my eyes. But yeah, I really liked it. But now let's go ahead and get into the tutorial for this look right here. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white. And I'm just using my finger to apply it all over my eyelids. Then I'm dipping into the first color, Ablaze, using a blending brush from Morphe. And I'm going to place this on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to blend it upwards and into my outer crease. I'm first focusing on just packing the pigment right there in my outer corner, because I don't want the entire crease to be too intense. And also I did notice that this shadow, as I was trying to drag it forward on my crease, it was kind of disappearing. So I recommend that you pack on the pigment where you want it to be intense first, and then blend like just the edges. But I did slowly start to drag towards the front of my crease so that I could have like a lighter burnt orange in that part of my crease. But it does seem to kind of disappear, so be gentle when you're blending. And now I feel like I got enough pigment, so I am like gently starting to blend, but I am being very careful. And I did end up having like this really natural looking shadow, which I liked. Then I'm going to go in with the Complex Culture Precision Eyelid Brush, and I dip it into the beautiful blue shimmer Infinite. And I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I really want to just bathe in this shimmer. It's just gorgeous, and in my opinion made the entire palette for me. So I'm just taking the brush and packing on that pigment to make sure that it stands out. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe M574 brush, and I'm going to dip into the darkest shadow in the palette, which is called Shadow. And I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye, very gently packing it on. And then I'm going to drag upwards and into my outer crease. I'm being very gentle because this shadow is very dark and just very intense, and you can get very messy really quickly. So I focused on packing, and then once I don't have too much product on my brush, I drag towards the front. And I ended up liking the whole contrast that I created with that. Then I dipped into that light brown Horizon using that brush from Morphe from earlier, and blended out the edges a little bit just to clean it up so that it wouldn't look so harsh and so messy. Then this is the perfect blending shadow for me. I really enjoyed it. Now I'm dipping into the dark brown again and just placing a little bit in the outer corner because I feel like I lost the intensity just a tad bit. So I'm placing it back. And then I'm also getting a little bit of the blue shimmer just to make sure that everything stays nice and intense the way I like it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this gel liner from Beauty Creations. And this is in the shade Denim. And I'm going to apply it all over my waterline. And I just thought that it was the nicest liner to use for this look because I really wanted the blue to pop. Then I'm taking the blue shimmer Infinite again, and I'm going to apply it underneath my lower lash line just to really intensify everything again. And I'm really just loving this blue vibe that I have going on. I really enjoy it. And then I decided to also take the dark brown again, just a little bit, and kind of smoke out the outer part of underneath my lower lash line a little bit, just because I like the smokiness and the blue together. And these colors together just really made the look for me. And then I'm going to clean up a little bit using that blending brush, just to make sure that everything looks a little nicer. Then I'm going to go ahead and dip into that beautiful gold, like light gold diamond looking shimmer reflection. I'm going to apply underneath my brow bone and also in my inner corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. What do you guys think? It turned out to be a little bit more smoky, but I actually love it. I think the star of the show is not just the blue, but actually this very dark color over here, because together with those two colors together, I was able to create this very dark like blue smoky brown eye, and I love it. I feel like the rest of the shadows in here are very light and perfect for maybe everyday wear, for softer looks, but with those two I was able to really get a dark look, which I really like. And the formula was really nice. I did notice that this orangey shadow Ablaze up here kind of was disappearing on my crease, on my lid. For some reason, like I will pack it on and if I blend it, it would just disappear. So if you really want to get the true color, that orangey, like a burnt orange, I recommend like packing it on and being very gentle with blending and only blending out like the edges, because it disappears a little bit. So, but overall, I'm very happy with the look. And let me show you guys what I am wearing on my lips. I went for a very nude lip today. I'm wearing the Real Her lip liner in the shade I Am Confident, which is also like a brown nude liner. And on my lips, I am wearing the Becca Cosmetics Tulip Ultimate Lipstick Love in Tulip. Also very pretty, like nude, soft pink nude. And then on top of that, I'm wearing the Persona Cosmetics Honey Gloss. And that is what that looks like. And that's what's on my lips, in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, I'm very happy with this palette. I'm very happy with the look. I went for the blue and brown vibes that I was not expecting to, but I like it very much. But that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.